Sabi ko na sa'yo eh.
Are you trying to steal the show?
No, 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 no.
Are you trying to steal the show?
No, 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 no. I am raising prejudicial question. I am, ang sinasabi ko,
Prevent the proceeding?
Mr. Chair, sinabi ko na sa'yo, the interest of this committee is the impartiality, the objectivity. Saan mo kayo magbibigay ng opinion? Why did you choose, for example, Bryce? Over to this guy.
That's my opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion. You also question.
I am questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
What's your opinion?
Ang mangyayari nito, so, mas credible si Bryce kaysa Diskaya. Bakit gano'n? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Hindi, Mr. President, we're still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
Why are you
then
so
we should not
protective of
judge.
this guy? Why are you so protective?